Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I have AGARO Air Purifier to review. I got it today and initially I thought I will record a video for unboxing, and I do record after taking out the first box. To my surprise, I was very much disappointed. I was engaged in anger, and I didn't have any words to describe my pathetic experience. Day before Diwali today, I was expecting this as a Diwali gift to myself, and this is the worst experience I had in Amazon altogether, I can say, because as soon as I opened the main box and I came up with this box. Totally, it came with the product was in this box. This box was inside this one, and this one was inside this one. So as soon as I opened it, I figured out that this one is already opened. So, and I noticed initially, like once I took it out, I noticed that it's been completely like played with some kid. That means this product is already opened. That's the first understanding I got. Like some kid has literally had drawings on this. So, and I discovered that this box was open, and I took out the product, and initially only I can tell somebody has like literally used it for a very long time. See, look at these marks. All this is fine. Look at this, like dust, literally, bro, and it is broken. And to my surprise, it doesn't even work. I don't know what exactly to tell to these people who have sent me. Like literally, they are like out of mind or what? Like, how can you? This is not a small product. I have paid almost like 16,000 for this, and it comes out to be non-working and used. And this is like supposed to be a gift for this whole year for myself, and it is a worst experience I have ever had in Amazon right now. And I'm a Prime member, and I keep shopping for myself, and literally I couldn't take it up to myself, and I had raised the complaint, and this is a non-refundable, non-returnable item, so has to connect with customer care, and has to convince them that this is the problem. And it is not easy. They don't believe you easily. I has to give them a lot of proof. Then they understood that yes, there is wrong in that, and now I'm getting a refund, and it is not helping me because I had it purchased in the Great Indian Sale, and I won't get the discount again. So literally, the person who has packed it and sent to me is not going to eat food for a month from now. He is going to definitely eat something else, because like he's the worst person right now, working in Amazon as per me. That's all, everyone. If you're buying, please do make a video of your products when you're unboxing. That's the same video that helped me to get my refund right now. So hope you will not be able to face such problems going forward. And people who are sending it for return, please make sure that you are marking it on a box or something. At least people who open it, they understand it. See, this is the exact thing that helped me. If there was no kids drawing and this mess up on this whole box, I would have never known. All right, hope this has helped to understand, be careful in the near future. Thanks everyone.